Hello, I'd like to book a vacation home in Casper, Wyoming, please.
Oh, cool. We got houses going for like $200 a night.
Oh, 200. That's really good. Let's have a look at those.
You could stay in a lakeside house for $400 a night.
400. You just said 200.
Oh, nah. Forget that I said that.
But it was just then.
Well, you would have gotten this far into the process if I just told you like $400. So I lied.
Yeah, damn right I wouldn't have. I would not have.
Okay, so are you happy with a lakeside house?
I'm not happy with that. Not in the slightest. I live like 500 miles from the city.
Okay, if you want to stay in a deluxe mansion, it's probably gonna be like more like $800 a night.
A mansion? I can't afford a mansion.
Yeah, sorry. That's just what that's just what it says on here.
I'm booking a month in advance.
Okay, would you like to add ski lift pass onto that?
That doesn't come with a ski pass?
It doesn't come with anything.
How much is a ski pass?
$300.
Oh, this is horrific.
Would you like to pay $400 and you could add skis and poles?
$400 for skis and poles?
Nah, that's like $800 for 2 skis, 2 poles, and 2 boots.
It shouldn't be something I have to buy.
Well, you are aware that this house is ski and ski out only, and if you don't add those, you'll likely not get to the house. You'll need them.
I won't be able to get to the house? I'm booking a month ahead and I have to pay to get to the house?
Yeah, sorry, dude. But would you like to pay $200 for cancellation insurance?
What does that mean?
Like, if we cancel your booking and then, like, you get your money back, or we can book you a new house.
That should be what happens anyways. Why would I pay more for that?
I mean, if you don't get the insurance, like, I don't know what's, you don't know what's going to happen. I can't guarantee anything.
Well, I'll just call you.
We may not pick up. It shows us who bought insurance and who doesn't. We don't pick up the people that don't buy the insurance.
Son of a...
Would you like to pay $5.96 to offset your carbon footprint?
How does me giving you more money make a greener state?
Don't worry about that. We'll take care of all the complicated stuff. Just give us more money.
I hate this. This is going badly.
Spices, pots and pans, and Wi-Fi will all be available in the house at full price for your convenience.
I hate this.